you love your big green egg just like I do. Well, I'm going to tell you the best accessories you need to make for the best possible egg experience. One of the biggest questions that I get asked all the time is, I just got a big green egg. What do I need to go with it? Well, I'm going to cover what I feel are the top accessories that you need to make your experience with the big green egg the best possible experience you can make. But before we get into what you need, here's what I need. I need you to subscribe to the channel, okay? Subscribe to the channel. I need you to hit down right below. See that little thumbs up? You see that thumbs up? I know you see it. Go ahead and hit that right now. I'll wait. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you get it done in time? I hope so. I really appreciate it. Thanks so much. So let's delve right in and show you what you need for the big green egg. So there's tons of accessories to go with the big green egg. Now this is what you get when you first purchase your big green egg. You get your egg and you get your grate. And that's what you get, all right? There's way too many things to possibly cover, but I'm gonna cover the top things that I think that you need for the big green egg to make for a great cooking experience. So the first one is called the Conveggtor. Let me grab it. All right, and here it is. This is called the Conveggtor. It used to be called the plate setter. Now it's called the Conveggtor. And what this is for, it's for indirect cooking, meaning that you don't have flames directly under your food. It's used for smoking, it's used for slow cooking, it's used for roasting. However you want to do it on the big green egg, if you're cooking indirect, you need this. Don't leave the store without it, because so many people that I know of tell me, oh, should I get it? Should I get it? And they don't get it, and then they wind up going back to the store and buying it afterwards, okay? Just save yourself a trip. Buy it when you get your egg. It's absolutely important. I'll show you how it goes in. Now, if you have an older egg like I do, you're gonna have these notches in your fire ring. The Conveggtor will actually sit in here. The new ones don't come with these notches cut in them, so you're just gonna set the Conveggtor right on top of it. Now, when you're handling this, be very careful. It's made of ceramic, so it is fragile, all right? That's gonna sit in there like that, and the grate will go right on top, just like this. Now, the whole reason for this is because you're not going to have any heat coming up. There's going to be no charring or anything like that. All your heat is coming from these grooves around the Conveggtor. Here's one that come all around 3 sides. The heat's going to come up through here and come around your food and cook it like that. So the deflector or egg Conveggtor or plate setter, whatever you want to call it, that is a piece that you must have. All right, and there you have how to cook indirect. Now, if you want to raise your game, oh, you'll see what I'm talking about. This is my absolute favorite accessory that comes with the big green egg. It's called the Eggspander system. It has unlimited possibilities that you can do with this thing. You can cook in what's called 2-zone cooking. You can cook on multi-levels. The whole thing is absolutely fantastic. I don't know how I cooked on the egg before I had this. This, for me, personally, is the single greatest thing that big green egg has ever come out with. I'm going to show you some of the ways that we can use it right now. Again, as I said, this thing is unlimited. So I'm going to start with the basic part of it and put this down here for right now. That's called the raised grid. So one of the nice things is that you can use the standard grate that comes with it, the whole one piece, but you can also get these with it. These are called half moons. So you can have it here and you can have one off, and I'll show you all the different reasons for this, but it's just really cool. So what we do with this now, we're going to take our grate out, okay? Take our half moons off of here. So actually, take the Conveggtor out, all right? Now, you got a lot of space to cover here, right? Well, if you wanted to cook direct, you can just put the expander in there just like this, okay? And this thing can go right in here, and boom, you're cooking. You notice that it has a raised grid, all right? When we were cooking before, our grid was about here. It was about 1.5 inches down into the egg. With the expander system in, you're actually cooking above the felt line here. So you got a little bit more room to cook with. It's just a little bit easier to deal with, okay? So that's the first nice part about it, is the raised grid part of it. The next part about it is that the Conveggtor actually has these slots and it fits right in as well. So you can cook indirect, you can use the regular full grate again, or you can use the half moons, whichever you prefer. They fit right on there and they fit nice and snug. See that? Now you got a raised grid indirect. Pretty cool. Now, if you didn't want to use the Conveggtor, there's another way to do it. You can get what's known as these half moons here. They're ceramic also, but it's literally just a half moon shape. So you can use both of them or one of them at a time. So if you wanted to do what's called 2-zone cooking, say like for a reverse sear, All right, it's perfect for that because you can cook on one side and roast and then just drop it down onto the coals for the other. I'll show you how this goes in right now. Just like that, plain and simple. So when you put your grates back on here, which let me show you, okay, you can have one up here and you can actually raise or lower the grates. You can put this down here. Whoops, that didn't go smoothly. But now you've got two-zone cooking because you can cook your steak indirect up here if you want to reverse sear it. Then when you're ready to sear it, you just take it and drop it down on the hot side and you're searing at a nice direct cook right above the coals. Now with these half moons, you can actually skip buying the Conveggtor, all right? You can use 2 half moons. So you just take them, place them both in here, and it kind of does the same thing as the Conveggtor. All right, so you don't have to have the Conveggtor. I still like to use it, but you can use 2 half moons in its place. You just put your grates right back on top. And as you can tell, folks, I use my egg, all right? Even these grates are clean and I'm still getting filthy dirty. So make sure you wash your stuff. So I love the half moon systems because Big Green Egg actually makes all kinds of different ones for it. Like this is a cast iron plancha. You can see it's got one grooved side. It's got one flat side. It's reversible. You can use it on either side. Works great. If you want to do some nice grill marks on your steaks, they make awesome cast iron. So all you have to do is you take off one of the half moons here and simply put it on just like that. And you've got cast iron. Now, you're cooking fish. You can take this same thing. You see how the other side, this side is flatter. Okay, on the grate itself, it's flat. This side has points, so you're gonna get nice grill marks. This side is flatter and it works really great for cooking fish on the grill so it doesn't just flake apart and fall apart on you and you lose everything. Really cool item. I like the cast iron. A little bit of care involved with it, but it works and it has its purposes. So yeah, again, all kinds of other stuff. They make a half moon perforated for vegetables. The whole expander system, there's so many different options for it. Check it out. I'm going to cover one more thing about it, then we'll move on to the next accessory. And the last cool part that I'm going to cover about the Eggspander is this raised system here. You can have multi-level cooking. You can see here, this top one slides, which I'm going to show you why that's important, but it fits right in. Okay, it fits right in, sits like that. So you can cook multi-level. You can have a roast here, put something here. What I like to do a lot of times, you've seen me do like OTT chili called over the top or something like that. You put a pot with all your vegetables and everything under here, put your meat on top and let it all drip down into it while it's cooking, making for some incredible goodness. So you can do that. And the nice part is the way that this thing works is if you have to get to the meats that are like on the lower level, this thing slides back, it hooks right in so it's not going to come off. You work with your meat here and you can slide it back and put it back into place. And if you forget, no problem, because you can just close the lid and it automatically puts it into place for you. One of the biggest questions that I get asked is, how do you make those amazing pizzas on your Big Green Egg, Ron? Well, there's two things. It's A, work in a pizzeria all through high school and make about 10,000 pizzas and you'll have that part of it down pat. But other than that, it's real simple. You can do it one of two ways. You can use the half moons, put them two together and use it as a pizza stone. But my personal recommendation is get yourself a pizza stone. All right. It makes all the difference in the world. It's absolutely imperative even, if you want to make a pizza on the Big Green Egg or your Kamado cooker, to have this, because without it, you're either going to burn the heck out of the bottom or the top isn't going to come out right, one or the other. So the pizza stone, it's absolutely foolproof. Well, with a little bit of practice, it's foolproof anyway. But it's, to me, it's, if you want to make pizza, it's an absolute must-have accessory. Don't scrimp. Get one, because this is heat resistant to very high temperatures. A lot of the ones you'll get in the stores are not. You'll wind up with two pizza stones the first or second time you use it, because they will crack. This one, I've been using these for years, have never cracked one. Knock on wood. Anyway, that's pizza. Get yourself a pizza stone and study up on how to make it. As a matter of fact, click on this video. I'll show you how to make some pizzas on the Big Green Egg. You know, the beautiful thing that I love about the Big Green Egg and Kamado cookers in general is that it's not just a one-trick pony. You can do so many different things with them. Yeah, you're going to smoke brisket, you're going to make pulled pork, you're going to make burgers and steaks and hot dogs and all sorts of great stuff that you can make on grills and on smokers. I use mine for a lot more than that. Here's one accessory that I love. It goes with the Eggspander. Okay, you got to buy it, but it fits right in the Eggspander. It's a wok. Okay, and you can wok cook right on your egg. We do this all the time. My friend Shannon, Big Green Egg Foodie, we made a couple videos about that right there. And it's really cool stuff. And it works beautifully because the flames are right underneath it. So it keeps the wok hot all around at the same temperature, so it really works perfectly. It's almost made for it, okay? But if you're gonna cook with your wok, definitely get yourself some of these. These are heat gloves. You need these because as you're cooking, these flames are still getting hot and you're gonna wind up burning your arms. We don't want that. So wok cooking, and that's all the accessories I'm gonna talk about. And that just shows you, we don't just talk the talk, we actually walk the walk. Anyway, those are the accessories that I find are the most important to have with the Big Green Egg. You know, there's other stuff you're gonna want, a thermometer, all this other kind of stuff. But for the Big Green Egg itself, these are the things to me, I use the most and I find are the best that you absolutely must have. If you have other accessories that you use that I didn't mention here, put it down in the comments. I'd love to hear about it, love to see what you're doing with them. I love anything to do with Big Green Egg. So if you got it, I wanna hear it, I wanna see about it. Always feel free to hit me up on Instagram, all right? Captain Ron 302. Listen, thanks so much. I hope that you remember to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, do all that good stuff for us on this YouTube videos. We are working hard at it. We want to earn your business. So keep on coming back and keep on egging, and we will see you next time on The FOGO Life.